Hello, welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. In this episode, we're going to make Michelangelo. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it! Alright, you just saw the slideshow. Hope you're inspired. Get out there, go make your own Michelangelo. And we hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.